My name is Alexander Sidungo. I live in Barangay Ahong, Sibulan. Studied in SNHS. I just turned 16. I love to dance and play ukulele, and playing volleyball is one of my hobbies. Like to explore things too, like selling clothes and travel. I love seafoods and love to do cooking. I love to take care of dogs too, and I love to sing, babysit, and act. And I love to do dancing as when my weakness is to be far away with my family, and also be fair. My middle name is Campoy, and my nickname is Andrew, and we are twin, a little family. My mom and dad, and also me. I am the only one. They are my life, my strength, and inspiration. I'm studying in humanities and social science from UMC 11G. I really wanted to graduate and make my parents proud. So I'm just singing